Let me change here the profile. Okay, so when we change the profile, we can see for sure there is something wrong here. If I put profile 1, we have that. If I put profile, if I put profile 2, right away this button is pressed in. So okay, profile 1, profile 2 right away. So actually I did the cleaning, so I was thinking that the issue might be some of the cleaning, but then I tried again. I was playing around with these modes and changing these setups, so the issue is the setup itself here. So actually I already changed. I can check it again here and you guys will be able to see it. Okay, so now we are in mode 1 over here in the back. So this is normal as it was before, everything is fine. If I change now to mode 2, see as well nothing happened. Actually I already set up the buttons in the back, that are the ones that I'm pressing now. You can see. So for this, how to set up these buttons, actually we have here a button called profile. We just press it constantly until this light starts to blink. Let's try to do it. Actually now what is changing is here the places. Okay, so since I already changed the definitions, let me see if I can manage to do it now. So this second one, let's see, second one is over there, here. Let's try to do if it will do something. This is the third one, it's over here. Just pressing for 5 seconds. And the other one is the fourth, this one. Let's see if it will do anything. Maybe it's not doing anything. Okay, now it seems I changed the... Okay, so that's it. I changed the ones in there in the back. Basically it's just pressing this profile and then it will show here the light. For example, if I press once, now it shows the second. The second here in the back, it has here the numbers M2. So press this and at the same time another button and wait, I guess, for 5 seconds, and should be enough. And then move to the next one and one forward, and that's it. And then we can see when we press that they are set to some other button. This is one solution. Another solution actually is I installed here the official program of these Nacon controllers. So you can see We have here the PS4 mode, and then we can customize the different ones. So customize profiles. So open profile. So I already created here this one fixed default. So if I press it on twice, then I can go into it, I think, or triggers, mappings. It has what maps to what, these buttons here, especially in the back, and then we just activate the profiles, and these profiles will go to the controller itself, and that's it. So actually, this was in the end. I wanted to open anyway to clean it. We would not need it, but I did it anyway. So now it's working. I will see if I will then can sell all of these controllers in general. Maybe I'll keep one or two. Probably this one I will keep because it's a bit messed up and I don't have so many controllers for the PlayStation, so I will probably keep one or two of these, and the others I will sell. I will then put here when I manage to sell them. If I manage to sell until the end of this video, I will try to put here the price. Maybe I will be able to make even on the money that I paid for this. So let's see. As well, we have as well the other controller that had the issue over here, so it was fixed as well. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you later.